Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have 21 Pilots here, Snap Back, okay? So this one is a very simple song to play. If you love 21 Pilots, we gotta have some songs coming up here. So let's start with Snap Back. So we have one main pattern that goes for both chords and strumming, and then we'll gonna throw in a bridge part later on. But anyway, let's take a look at the chords. No need for any capo here, so we're gonna start with the main two chords here. It's the C and D minor. So starting off here with C, that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. That's the first one. The second one is D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. So that is the two main chords. We're gonna go back and forth with these, but then to handle the bridge part, we're gonna learn another 4 chords actually. So we're gonna continue here with E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, we have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also got A minor, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And then finally, of course, we need to end with a bar chord, that's the F. So you place a bar here with the index finger over all strings on the first fret, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. All right, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern first for this main part of the song. We're gonna use that for C and D minor. So if you grab the C, one string around will be down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so that will work for the song. It goes. Okay, so down, up, clap, and then a short pause, and then down, up. A couple of rounds of it. Okay, so like 90% of the song, you're gonna go C2, and then you shift to D minor and play that for 2 rounds, and then you go back and forth between C and D minor like this. Think you understand. Now over to bridge part that starts about 2 minutes and 3 seconds into the song. And here I recommend you to just play one down of the following chords. So we have 3 rows, so to speak, of 4 chords each. So the first row is C, then D minor, then E minor, and then G. The second row is E minor, then F, then A minor, and F. And the third and final row is E minor, D minor, E minor again, and back to D minor. And that's the last chord. And then back to the main part. Alright guys, so that is 21 Pilots Snap Back. So if you like this tutorial, snap that like button, and I'm happy. So thank you for your support guys. Until next time, play tuned.